What's up guys, over here I have a Skyworth 32-inch Google TV. Particularly this is the 32E5500G model, and in this particular video I am going to be unboxing this TV, setting it up and even showing you some of the cool features that actually comes with this particular TV. As you can already see, this particular TV has Dolby Vision, it is a 2K TV, and it also comes with the Find My Remote control feature, which enables you find your remote. But before we go into all of this, let's go ahead and unbox this TV first. Now from the back of this particular TV, it actually has an AV in port, which is over here, and then from the side over here you can literally see it has two HDMI ports, which is 1 and 2. Now it also has two USB-C ports, as you can see over here, a LAN Wi-Fi port and an antenna port as well. This TV also has a headphone jack and even an optical cable port that allows you to connect audio devices through optical cable to the TV. Now on this other end we actually has the AC in, which is actually for the power that is connecting of this AC cable over here. Now let's go ahead and set up this device, and then I'll show you some of the features that are actually inside of the TV. And now we have successfully fixed the stands of the Skyworth TV, and then you want to go ahead and connect the power cable, which is this cable over here, to the power cable port on the Skyworth TV. So just go ahead and connect it. You also want to go ahead and proceed to connect this end to the power source, and then finally come over to your Skyworth remote control and then pull out the battery pack over here and then connect your batteries just like so, and now you're good to go. Now basically this is how the Skyworth Google TV actually looks like. This is how the interface is. It basically has this Google TV and you have your major apps displaying over here, and over here you have actually the list of all of your apps that are actually installed on the TV. You can also go over here to add apps. So basically you can come over to the app section, and then from here you can go ahead and search for apps, then load them into your Skyworth Google TV. Under picture settings, if you actually come over to the picture mode over here, you can literally see we have different picture modes. The TV also has surround sounds that actually give you the best sound quality when playing music or videos from the TV. This Skyworth Google TV also has Dolby Vision, so if you come over to the sound settings over here, come over to audio output, you can literally see that there is actually the Dolby Digital Plus over here and Dolby Digital. So if you actually have any content that supports Dolby Vision, they are definitely going to be working on this smart TV. Another interesting thing about the Skyworth Google TV is actually the game mode. So if you come over to the picture settings over here and then just scroll down to the advanced setting, there is actually the game mode that enables you get the best while gaming on the TV. You can literally see game mode over here. This feature is actually grayed out because I currently do not have like a console connected to the TV, but once you have a console connected to the TV, it is going to work perfectly well. The most outstanding feature I would say about this particular TV is the fact that it has the Find My Remote feature. Now basically if you look at the remote properly over here, these are actually the speakers where the sound comes from whenever you want to activate the Find My Remote. Now this is basically the only 32-inch TV I have seen so far that has the Find My Remote feature. I haven't seen it on the Samsung, on the LG, on some of these popular brands, particularly because they feel like a 32-inch TV is too small to have this feature. But Skyworth is literally doing it on their smallest TV, and I think it's a great one. There are also other interesting features that comes with this TV. So under the channel and inputs over here, if you come over to inputs, there are other things you can do from here. You can turn on HDMI control, and even from the HDMI input sources over here, you can choose the kind of devices that are actually connected to any of the HDMI ports on the TV. So this actually also enables you to get the best out of the TV. Now these are literally just some of the interesting features I have noticed about the TV. There are definitely other things about this particular TV that might actually catch your fancy once you get it. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.